Because we are re-renovating our studio just now, well, coincidentally, we were reached out by ARROWZOOM Acoustics, and they have helpfully provided us with this ARROWZOOM Pro Series brick foam soundproofing kit. Ooh, and you know what? It came at the most perfect time. Now, ARROWZOOM are a professional soundproofing and acoustic treatment brand with well-designed products to tackle noise issues in and around your home, or indeed your recording studio areas of your home, providing you with those products without breaking the bank. We have, again, been provided with 24 of these versatile wall coverings today. They are compacted for easily secure delivery, with clear, precise instructions for unpacking, expanding, and how to apply them to your internal wall coverings and furnishings. For example, there is a QR code just here on the leaflet, where when you scan it, it will take you to a YouTube tutorial guide. Very helpful, nice. So basically all you've got to do is open all of them up, leave them lay flat for around about 24 hours. We actually left them for 2 days just to be confident that they fully expanded, and the result that you should get is a bit like this one just here. I mean, look at that. That looks superb. You get high quality foam. Nope. No cheap Chinese counterparts here. You get a 5cm thick foam pad, which measures around about 30cm by 30cm. Again, we have been provided with this 24-piece option, which will set you back around about £109. That's 145 in US dollars. And you know what? You pay for quality here. So what we did is we decided to fully plaster one of our walls in the cabin, put some insulation in between, and whack these soundproofing pads right on top of it.
So just to let you know, around this cabin just now, there's loads of traffic, loads of noise, all wonderful noises that just irritate you. So you've got birds, barking dogs, trust me, it's called shit city around here. Crackheads probably in the back garden. This is the wall we're going to put most of the silencing on. So there is a main road just a few houses away. You can hear the traffic through the cabin. I don't know if you can pick it up on the camera, but yeah, this is why we're putting silencing on the back wall, so it surrenders some of that sound. And hopefully, fingers crossed, it should enable us to speak more freely, speak quite loud, and do a lot of voiceovers within this cabin. Nice one. Now the only thing I would really say, guys, is because I put this tape on just now, it does stick to your fingers, so you've got to be very careful, because I've just done it there, it stuck to my finger and it went all over my nail, so it sort of ruined the corner of it. Just be careful where you're placing your fingers. See what I mean? I've done it again. And just quite simply peel the rest of these this double-sided tape off and whack it on the wall. Don't get this right, every other one will be totally out.
Now beforehand we did do some decibel readings from inside and outside of the cabin, just to see what the noise issue is like. And to be quite honest, once these pads were up, not only did it look great like a proper studio, I mean look at that, it looks really fantastic, but it actually helped this week, providing us with better sound recordings. Now we did set up our studio mic, did a few voice recordings.
Right, so the padding is in place, and to be honest, there's quite good confidence. As you can tell before, when it earlier recorded in the studio, before I put the plasterboard up, I wasn't confident enough speaking within the cabin quite loudly. Now with this studio microphone in place, the voice recordings can now be picked up very pristinely. Not only that, add more quality to our future videos. So yes, nice padding within the studio, and I can't wait to get recording some of our future reviews.
And trust me guys, the voice recordings for those particular videos coming up very soon up on our channel, well, they sound proper professional. Blocking out most of the noise from that back wall of our studio, but it provides us with a better sound experience, have more of a locked in studio feeling, and to be honest, I'm going to be ordering more very soon to cover the opposite side of this studio. Now you can't go wrong buying quality products, guys. There are very cheap products on the market where you can buy 30 or 40 of these pads that look a bit like these that we've got today, and they are of a lesser quality. Trust me, I've actually invested in some in the past. They do fall off the wall, they are very, very stretched and they are expanded, and they don't seem to last that long, maybe 2 years at max, before they will fall off the wall and need replacing. Now with these ones, we have adjusted them quite a bit. We've pulled the tape off the back of them. There's no tearing. They are superb, and I must admit, guys, like I said, you can get certain pads to cover your walls, your doors, even speakers within your studio, and there's plenty of products to be had from the ARROWZOOM website.
Okay, so the only issue we really came against when it came to putting these pads on the wall is we did indeed run out of double-sided sticky tape. You do require around about 3 rolls of that tape. We only was provided with 1, and in fact we actually went to the local corner shop, well, DIY shop, to buy some other double-sided sticky tape. It wasn't as sticky, and in fact what we resulted in is buying adhesive spray, which works perfectly fine, guys. These are quite glued to the wall. The cabin actually gets quite hot, and we've not actually had one tile fall off the wall since using that adhesive spray. So yeah, still a good job, and adhesive spray is around about £2 anyway.
Now I am very appreciative of ARROWZOOM for sending this pack out to us, and not only that, it has been quite a while since we've had them. But if you want to check them out for yourself, I've left a link in the video description down below. These will improve your studio, your recording area, or if you just simply want to silence your bedroom, you know, so you want a bit of action, you don't want anyone else to hear, well, why not get a few of these pads? It certainly help. Woo! Bertie Berties. But yeah, in all seriousness, get over to ARROWZOOM Acoustics just now and check out some of their products. And you know what, you might get lucky because there are some discounts out just now. So I hope this very short video helped, and I hope to see you guys on one of our very new tech reviews coming very soon within the studio.